When you hear diversity, maybe you will relate it with race, gender, sexual orientation, religion, ethnicity, etc. But have you ever heard about neurodiversity? Neurodiversity is a concept that the difference in neurological condition or how each person's brain function is actually a natural variation in humankind. That means having a brain that works differently doesn't necessarily a bad thing. As related to neurodiversity, there will be two main terms of human neurological condition, neurotypical and neuroatypical, also known as neurodivergent or neurominority. Neurotypical, often described as a majority or normal type of brain, is a person who doesn't really have a significant neurological difference from most people. Neurotypical usually thinks, perceives, and behaves just like most people do. While neuroatypical, also known as neurodivergent or neurominority, have different ways of thinking, perceiving, and behaving. This is because neurodivergent has some difference in neurological condition for most people, mostly referred to people with autism spectrum, such as autism, obviously, ADHD, Asperger, or another brain condition like dyslexia, apraxia, dyspraxia, and other types of brain with non-typical ways of functioning. Many people with autism spectrum have heightened visual perception, smell, and taste, exceptional memory skill, and even more advanced understanding of systems like computing and animal behavior that might lead to a better problem-solving skills. While people with ADHD more likely to see novelty and generate new ideas spontaneously. Research has shown some genes that are linked to autism are also part of the gene that split humans from the typical ape of early primate ancestry. For example, the DUF1220 gene that has become the primary factor of brain expansion in higher primates, including humans, also correlate with symptoms of autism. Two of the genes that implicate in autism, which are AUTS2 and CADPS2, are found within the modern human but not in Neanderthal genome. This also supports that we shouldn't regard the difference as a disorder, but as normal variation in humankind which should be recognized, embraced, and respected, instead of thinking they are insane or disregard them in social situations. Of course, we also agree that being a neurodivergent does have shortcomings like difficulty in socializing, communicating, and impulsivity that requires some help and support. Treatment and therapy might be necessary for severe conditions that are incapable of doing basic activities, but we should point out that all those things should be done safely and effectively in order to help them to become the optimum version of themselves as they are.